Hello and welcome back to Animating SQL. In this episode, we are going to animate our first SQL script. In the previous episodes, we have used the guide select expression in order to create the script select 1 plus 8. The only thing that we need to remember from mathematics is that an expression has a value. In our case, the expression 1 plus 8 has the value 9. This is one of the key notions in SQL. We use an expression to compute a value. Right, we add 1 plus 8 to compute the value 9. Alright, so we now have our script ready, and we also have a machine that is able to use the script. Now, calling it the machine was fine for the story in the first episode, but my intention was always to create an image for a SQL engine. We can think of it as the main component in a bigger system. So we can take the script, send it to the engine, and the engine will compute a result and send it back to us. Let's take a look at what happens inside the engine. The engine will create an empty cell for each expression that we want to select. In our case, we only have one expression, 1 plus 8. So the engine will create a single cell. It will then simply copy and store the expression in this cell. Next, the engine will create an empty cell right below the first one. It will then copy the expression 1 plus 8 to the cell, compute the value of the expression, and finally store this computed value into the cell. Right, so it will take the expression 1 plus 8 and compute the value 9 and store it into the cell. That's it. This is the final result that the engine will display to us. If you like my content, please join my channel. It really helps. Thanks for watching and bye bye.